If you are a cutting tool manufacturer and if you want to avoid damages because of cobalt leaching, then you need to see this video for the three main reasons or the three main solutions for this problem. Stay tuned. Cutting tool makers can counter the effects of cobalt leaching if they implement these three factors in their manufacturing process. Number one, the grinding oil or the grinding coolant. This is the primary tool which will provide the most effective fight against cobalt leaching. The reason being, the corrosive environment that the cobalt leaching needs, it is provided by these metalworking fluids or the grinding oil. Now another thing related to grinding oil is that if the cobalt leaches, the cobalt particles will get in the grinding oil and it may react with the oil, the additives in the oils. It might lead to the grinding oil not being very useful, or worst, it might even lead to some dangerous sludge formation. It is very important to select a proper grinding oil for making your cutting tools. Now in this selection, it would be my suggestion to discuss with the grinding oil supplier what sort of tools you are going to primarily make, the grade of your carbide, and accordingly test out their grinding oils first, whether they are leading to any cobalt leaching or not. Second most important tool which you can use or you should use is a very effective filtration system, something like Transor India provides. Basically, you need a filtration system which will not allow the carbide dust or the cobalt dust, you can say, to get to settle in your tanks or in your grinding oil. The reason is simple. If you keep on continuously filtering out even the minute particles less than 3 microns or up to 1 micron, then the acidity of your oil will not increase exponentially, or it will not increase at all. Second, if you are using an expensive grinding oil, it doesn't make sense to pollute it with carbide or cobalt throughout your operation and then eventually discard it. So filtration systems like Transor India, what they do is that since the oil coming out of these systems is absolutely crystal clean, it does not allow settlement of carbide in the oil at all. Hence, the acidity of the oil almost never increases. It almost remains the same as a new oil. And this solves the problem of cobalt leaching. Third important point is the temperature. Temperature of the grinding oil needs to be monitored and controlled very carefully. Now this can be done along with the filtration system. So what we do is that we give the filtration system along with a chilling unit, which is properly designed. So the design of the chilling unit should be in consideration according to the geographical and the atmospheric conditions that it is going to be used under. So in countries like India, where normally the summertime temperatures reach up to, in some places it might go up to 50 degrees centigrade as well, this factor needs to be considered while selecting the appropriate chilling unit, because the grinding oil doesn't need, so for your process, you don't need cool oil. What you need is a temperature controlled oil. You don't need thermal shocks while making your carbide cutting tools. Another aspect is that because if there is no chilling unit, or if the chilling unit is improperly designed or selected, the heat inside the grinding oil will keep on exponentially increasing, which helps in cobalt leaching. So studies have proven that cobalt leaches at elevated temperatures at a dramatic rate. Hence, controlling the temperature of your grinding oil will help you in avoiding cobalt leaching. These were the three main tools that you can implement in your process for fighting this cobalt leaching. I hope you found this video to be useful. Please subscribe to our channel for getting further such videos. Thank you.